shadow, and I knew you were being creepy. Are you for real? You know, you're really lucky that I'm nice, because I could just push this all over on you.
You don't know what's on the other side.
What?
You don't know what's on the other side.
No. This door is gonna be... I'm never gonna read this age with you again.
Yes.
You're such a jerk. Where did this even come from?
Came from that wall over there.
You took it off the wall?
No, it was leaning up against it.
Where did these other things come from?
Over here, in this pile.
So I have to put it back?
Alright, I'll put it back.